Hi, I'm at Bodhi Greens right now. It's a vegan restaurant, and I'm just waiting for the vegan pastry. And let me take you through the rest of the place. So, the pastry I'm gonna have is the chocolate cake. It's made of buckwheat flour, it's gluten free, sugar free, it's sweetened with dates and all natural. As you can see, they have cookies, they have like matcha cheesecake, a very nice carrot cake, and banana bread. So I think this place is pretty amazing. It has all vegan, and that's what I advocate and stand for, cruelty free. So yeah, let's go. Let's try the vegan cake. So my chocolate cake is here now. Thank you. Let's try. Mmm, it's really good and healthy.